corner now for Shillong Lajong. What can they do? Clearly both the Brazilians are up in the box. Daniel's in the box. Moxos is in the box. Taking that corner for them is their captain Hardy. Birthday boy puts in a ball. Is it a good ball? Straight away. And that ball is good enough. We told you. The big men are in the box.
This man, we always spoke about him, the Marcus Rudwer, was the man who took the responsibility to take the team in lead. And what a jubilant sight this is. The crowd up on their feet. Couldn't get it on yet. And look at that. Fantastic tap straight into the goal.
The crowd is alive. The stadium is alive. Because Shillong Lajong is now playing football like they belong here. They are dominating the game as far as they're moving ahead. But here come FC Goa. End-to-end stuff at the Nehru Stadium in Shillong. Beautiful piece of play down that right flank. Beautiful piece of play down that right flank that has got FC Goa back in this game. And who do you think has done it? It's Devendra Murgaonkar. Went past one, went past two, did it all by himself, still had all that work to do.